Hello everyone and welcome to a new lesson, and today we're going to learn the basic school supplies vocabulary. So today we're going to learn all the objects we've got in our school bag. Let's start. A school bag. A school bag. This is a school bag. This is a school bag. What have we got in our school bag? What have we got in our school bag? A pen. A pen. This is a pen. This is a pen. A pencil. A pencil. This is a pencil. This is a pencil. A pencil case. A pencil case. This is a pencil case. This is a pencil case. A book. A book. This is a book. This is a book. A notebook. A notebook. This is a notebook. This is a notebook. A paintbrush. A paintbrush. This is a paintbrush. This is a paintbrush. A ruler. A ruler. This is a ruler. This is a ruler. An eraser. An eraser. This is an eraser. This is an eraser. A sharpener. A sharpener. This is a sharpener. This is a sharpener. Scissors. Scissors. These are scissors. These are scissors. A glue. A glue. This is a glue. This is a glue. What is there in a school bag? What is there in a school bag? There is a pen. There is a pen. What is there in a school bag? What is there in a school bag? There is a pencil. There is a pencil. What is there in a school bag? What is there in a school bag? There is a pencil case. There is a pencil case. What is there in a school bag? What is there in a school bag? There is a ruler. There is a ruler. What is there in a school bag? What is there in a school bag? There is an eraser. There is an eraser. What is there in a school bag? What is there in a school bag? There is a book. There is a book. What is there in a school bag? What is there in a school bag? There is a notebook. There is a notebook. What is in a school bag? What is in a school bag? There is a paintbrush. There is a paintbrush. What is in a school bag? What is in a school bag? There is a glue. There is a glue. What are there in a school bag? What are there in a school bag? There are scissors. There are scissors. What are there in a school bag? In a school bag, there are scissors, a pen, a pencil, a pencil case, a book, a notebook, a ruler, an eraser, a paintbrush, and a glue. Good job! I hope you enjoyed the video. For more videos, follow my channel. Bye bye for now.